That was us, yes. Welcome to Charlestown Live. I'm Al Carey. I'll be your host this evening. We got two very special guests tonight. We have Charlestown's own Tony V, nationally acclaimed comedian, travel the world, well-known actor.
Sure.
Is recently named new resident of Charlestown.
Yes.
Tony will be giving us his views on the new year, hockey dad, numerous careers, among other things. And he threw a curveball tonight. He brings Bobcat Goldthwait. Huge fan of Bobcat.
I've slept many nights in Charlestown. You're a new resident. You've lived there for what, 25 years?
Keep going. 31.
31
that's how it all.
years.
That's all about.
Yeah, well, Charlestown, they don't, they don't warm up to you right away.
No, no, oh no.
They got to make sure you're not transient.
Listen, according to the bylaws, I found this out. Anybody after 1890 is considered a new resident.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, that makes sense.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense.
Thank you for giving us gin.
You're welcome. You're welcome. So we knew you'd appreciate it.
Listen,
here's how this trip of the way in.
Here's how this all happened.
This is the tears of all the mothers in Charlestown. Right here. That's what we're drinking. And if I can plug this, I have well over 3,000 followers on Instagram right now, and I just Instagrammed this appearance. So, folks,
you're on Instagram. I don't even know what that is.
The future is here.
Charlestown Live is going to be syndicated before you know it.
Yeah, sure.
Will Mark Wahlberg get that? Can you tell him the
here's
story,
enough-
Tony?
here's
What's the
enough.
story here?
Poor
Al-
Mark Wahlberg.
Can you give him the story?
Al threw Mark Wahlberg out of the Boys and Girls Club many years ago, and now we can't understand why he won't return his call.
Now here's the weird. In Al's
You know, I
defense,
like the guy.
He's a good guy. He's
Mark
so
was
good.
in Al's defense. Mark was 31.
It was time for him to go.
It was a little. Yeah, the baby bird had to fly
It was
away.
right after the Funky Bunch.
Yes, it was.
Yeah, it was
See,
right after
that's
the
what's
Funky
gonna.
Bunch, so-
That's
but
what's gonna keep me
I'm
from doing
afraid
the
I'm going to get a
show.
restraining order on Twitter or Twitter or whatever that Facebook, because I keep sending messages, but I don't get anything. So
Well, maybe he'll do
response.
it.
But you think? I don't
Yeah,
know.
'cause
well,
like,
now that we have you on the show,
I'm the
we
gateway.
have a conduit.
Yeah,
Well,
I'm
that's
a.
it, because he'll do what he'll go. That Goldthwait was on it. I'm doing it.
Yeah, you'll
It's
say.
a challenge. I love
You'll say, Mark. They had Bobcat Goldthwait on the show, and he'll go. I thought that guy was dead. Didn't he die? Bob Scratch Goldfarb?
Bob Scratch Goldfarb.
I thought I'm not going on that show.
So
kill
tell him,
people.
but he's going to see you in your new movie. Tell
I
us
haven't.
about
Well,
that.
I'm not in the new movie, but I've been
Plug that,
writing.
yeah, the fundraisers. Yes, we did.
We asked Mark Wahlberg to come on the show.
Mark
Yeah, there's a
Wahlberg,
challenge for
Mark,
Wahlberg.
I'll
If
say-
you know,
I'm
You
in.
don't have the nerve to come on the show.
That's no, that would intimidate the
Oh,
man.
yeah. We would very much like it.
It
if
was
you would
very
come on
nice.
Charlestown Live.
I myself, Mark, I've been in motion pictures. Not a lot lately, but I'm just saying you would be made to feel like the king that you are if you were to
Yes.
come ingratiate
In a better
Charlestown
green room than
Live.
CNN.
and we
And Al promises not to kick you out this time
that's
like
right.
he did
We'll
the last
write
time.
in. We'll let you stay the whole half hour. So that
Thanks,
would be
man. It was
great.
a lot of
It's a
fun.
great green room.
Yeah,
So
it's
we
great.
do great. Yeah.
Fantastic.
Well, I want to say thank you very much,
Thank you.
Tony. Bobcat, it was a pleasure and
Thank
a
you.
surprise.
Thanks.
I really appreciate
I'm glad
you
that
coming
your
on.
talent coordinator booked me. I was very excited. I was
We
very
have a
excited.
last-minute booking, and we didn't know you were in town. Had we known you were in town, we probably could have get
Well,
it out
Bob-
there earlier. But
Bob Seibel fell out, and I'm glad I could do this.
well, thank you very much, Tony. I appreciate it. It was a great show. Once again, we'd like to thank our partner, Chad, and our sponsor, the Zelma Lacey House. Without them, we wouldn't be able to bring this comedy to you and this great night. I hope you all enjoyed it this evening. Thank you for joining us. I'm Al Carrier. Until next time, good evening. Thank you.